Hello, I welcome you all to today's tutorial. This is Lifem Rebek. So in today's discussion, we are going to learn how to create or open the Airtel Global Pay Card or Mastercard. Okay, so let's discuss the few things that are needed in order for you to open your Airtel Global Pay Card. So number one, you have to ensure that your TPIN is linked to your Airtel Money account. And if you do not happen to have a TPIN, you can register on the ZRI portal and have your TPIN ready, or you can just download the Tax on app ZRI application on Play Store and register your TPIN. Now, once you have your TPIN, in case now you want to update it on or link it with your Airtel Money. You just have to click on the link. I copied it from Facebook where they posted, or you can just call them, they'll send you the text, or you can visit the nearest Airtel branch, then they'll be able to assist you. So let's click on the link and then see how you can update your TPIN or attach your TPIN to your Airtel Money account. Note that this can only be done if at all your Airtel Global Pay Card is refusing to open. So we click the link like that, and then you just wait for the form, and then you just fill in your details, and then you'll be able to submit. So this is the form. Then when you fill in, you just click on where it says submit, and then after you submit, that's it. It will not take more than 48 hours, but within the same 48 hours, you'll be able to receive feedback. Then you go back following the same procedure for registering or creating the Airtel Global Pay Card. Then your card will be able to work. So in order for one to have the Airtel Global Pay Card, you need to have an Airtel number which will be registered in your name, as well as your TPIN attached to it. So let's get started. Let's go to Play Store so that we'll be able to download the Airtel application. So we have to go to Play Store and download the Airtel application. Okay, so you just have to search for Airtel Money app Zambia. Then once you do that, you just have to download. Then so since I already have it, I just have to click on where it says open. So we open like that and just wait. Okay, so it's loading like that. So the next thing that we are going to do is at the bottom, just where there is the home icon, we go on where it says Airtel Money. So you select like that. Then you have to select where it says view your Airtel Money Global Pay Card, or just at just below it there's goods and services, and then there's Airtel Money Global Pay Card. So you select. Then it's going to ask for your PIN, so you just put your PIN and wait. Then when it comes like this, so this is what we are creating. With Airtel, there is no need of paying anything for you to activate the card. Yes, so you accept the terms and conditions. Then you select where it says get Airtel Global Card. Then you again put your PIN. Okay, so you just have to wait like just wait. Okay, even a message has popped up. Your new card ending with those digits has been activated. Please access my Airtel app to view your card and top up to enjoy its benefits. So now that your card is open, so I will show you how to add the money to your card so that your card will start working. And if you want to view your card, you just click where there is the symbol for I in the top on the same card. Now in the top right corner, you just select on it, and then you'll be able to view your details, so that when you want to pay for anything online, you'll be able to use these same details, and it's the same card which will be deducted now. So the money from the main Airtel is different from the one you top up from here, but you still use the same Airtel main account to add money to the card. Okay, so where it says top up card is where you're just going to click. You say top up card, then when you click like that, to give you an option for putting the amount, then you just put the amount that you want to top up in your card. Then you top up, you click on where it says top up card, and then there will be a prompt message to put your PIN, then you confirm. Alright, so once everything is done, you'll be able to run your adverts, pay for online stuffs, manage your subscriptions, and many more other things. Okay, so this is how easily one can create a Mastercard using Airtel.